Going on, guys? Boy Sam here. Very nice and cold morning. Got some jetting work to do today. We have contractor told us I need a Vector truck, small jet truck, and a camera. We don't know what we're doing yet, but gonna see. I'll take the GoPro, see if we can get you some shot, see if something interesting happens. Never know. Let's go. Yeah, see the boys already here. Actually, I got Oswald in the Vector, and I got Chris and ProMaster truck waiting for me there. We made some changes to the office. Well, not an office anymore. You're about to see that. Oh crap, scared the crap out of me, man. What are you doing here? So that was always Daniel. He has to do some pump truck in New Brunswick. So let me show you the office here. Or should I say the conference room. We're still working on this, moving some stuff around. So I'm gonna put a TV here, right in this area. I'm gonna remove the this thing. Not gonna get rid of this picture. Actually, this here, the light is screwing this up. This is my first truck right here. That's the first Viper truck. That's the old logo right there. And I got that about a year after. This was 2014. I got this truck. I used to work at a plumbing supply house, and you know, I cashed my 401k. I think it was $20,000, and I bought that used Ford and an O'Brien Jetter. That was 7 years ago, and here we are. You know, so I put these over here. Just every time I come in here, it reminds me, you know, where I was and how things were back in the day, and then what it took to get here. And it's a good reminder. If you have in your office, just these pictures are good. It makes you feel good, you know. All right, so those are the changes. So this is gonna be a conference room for like meetings and stuff. So you know, I put on. Actually, there are videos with this truck. If you go on my YouTube channel, you should be able to see this truck. If you go if you go years ago back, you should be able to see that truck and the O'Brien Jetter. Yeah, that's pretty interesting. Go check that out. That's probably one of the first videos I did. So that's the kitchen there, and yeah, that's where we're gonna have meetings and what do you call? Yeah, pretty much meetings, and you know, just guys can have lunch here. I moved into a bigger place from Bergen County. I remember I told you in the other videos that I moved, and I built an office in my house, so my wife Laura doesn't have to come here anymore to pick up phones and things. Again, we don't know what we're doing yet, so I know where we're going, and it's a big place. It's a complex, so there may be bigger pipes. So I'm just gonna take this guy right here. Take this jet truck. We'll have, you know, this truck will do probably in between the Vector truck and the jet van that we have, the Spartan. This will be like right in between that. If we come across an 8-inch pipe with elbows, or a 6-inch pipes with elbows, this truck will be better for it. So here's the antifreeze system that Chris put in. I love it. He did an awesome job, Chris. Great job, brother. You did great here. Valve here, and believe it or not, this here is what comes in those Spartan jetters inside the vans. I believe this is probably 8 gallons, if I had to take a guess. So basically what he did was he just put a piece of plywood here, painted it black so it looks good, bolted it really nice and tight, silicone and everything. I am amazed by the job Chris did over here. So what's going to happen now is with this hose right here is going to fill it. Like basically we open this valve, and then we go ahead down here and we close the main valve from the tank, and basically the pump will be fed from this tank. Antifreeze will come in here to the pump, and then the pump will distribute everything to the hose reel right here. And this is the hose I'm showing on the top. So basically all you do is you connect this hose to the hose inside the reel, and then that's how you recirculate the antifreeze back into the tank once you, let's say, want to start working. So let's go. Let's get out of here. Yeah, so I sit down every morning. I start reading while having my coffee. I start reading these Facebook groups. And I read somebody said, oh, you can't trust a contractor that has Ryobi tools. What is he talking about? I mean, I always say, if you're a new drain cleaner, you're gonna, obviously, you're starting a business, you're careful with your budget. Put all your resources on the drain cleaning stuff, snakes. Put most of the money on cameras, snakes, jetting heads, your jetter, your truck. Your truck is the number one tool, is the one that's gonna get you to the job. No truck, nothing works, right? Just because you have somebody has a Ryobi tool and you have a DeWalt, means that the DeWalt guy has more experience, can work better than the other person. That's not true. So it's okay to have Ryobi tools. I have Ryobi tools. It's fine. So that's what I would do. I will focus on all of my most of the money anyway on drain cleaning things. What do you need a $450 Hitachi drill? Like you're gonna be doing drywall all day? No. We use the drill, but it's not like you're gonna be drilling all day every day. And that's not the way. That's the way the customer thinks. If you show up to a customer's house and you pull out Ryobi tools, is the customer is gonna think that you are not experienced or whatever? I don't think so. I don't think so at all. Same thing goes to jetters. If you're gonna buy a HydroJetter and you're gonna buy a used HydroJetter, stay mechanical. Try not to get anything with computers. Jetters, people, the name HydroJetter, and then people are talking about jetting and water, high pressure. People trying to make it sound complicated. It's really not. All it is a power washer with it's a power washer on steroids with a higher higher gallons, more volume. It has more volume. Now, volume is very important. Pressure clears the pipe. Volume cleans the pipe. That's the big difference. You know, if somebody shows up, well, actually, it happened to me. I had the what do you call that jetter? My first jetter, I remember. I told the guy it was a 13 gallon a minute, 2,500 psi. This guy shows up. I think he was another drain cleaner, and he had a jetter, one of those cart jetters, and he said, "Oh, that's nothing. Mine is 4,000 psi." You know, to that person, the pressure was more important than the gallons per minute. His jetter was 4.5 gallons. Okay. Yeah, you have more pressure, but coming out of less orifices at the end of your nozzle. So in order for you to clean, it will take you way longer. Yes, you will have pulling power, you will have the pressure. Yeah, that's fine. But in order to clean the pipe, to clean it very well, you need volume. You need basically more water coming out of more jets at the end of your hose. A lot of people don't understand that. Most of you do, but you know, just throwing that out there. Some people don't know that. All right, so we're almost here. Let's see what we're going to do. Like I said, this is a big place. That's why I said, oh, you know what, I was gonna call me my pickup truck, but said, you know, it may be a pipe here too big for the vacuum truck and probably too small for Chris's. Oh, Oswald is here too. Oh, this guy's already working. There's Oswald, there's Chris. All right, let's get to work. Let's see what we're dealing with here. So when we came jetting this line right here, the electrical company broke the sewer pipe. So yeah, that's what we're dealing with here today. Over here too. Jet using this truck. We're gonna jet this 6-inch pipe, huh?
You want to use my jet? Because last time we went on the broken line and they get stuck in the line versus this one.
Okay, well it's a 6-inch, so I figured that one will be better. But yeah, let's use your van then.
To be more safe, I could pull it out the 6-inch line. We get more chance to pull out versus that big guy.
Right, but I think he wants to know, the more important thing is
information.
Build the report information. Yeah. So why don't you start on that clean out?
That was the first one back there and track it down
and
this
then
way.
Just start cameraing, painting, mapping.
Right.
That way we can have a better idea.
This between us three. He told me that when he came, when the sewer line backed up, this backed up as well with sewer.
Yeah. But there's two lines parallel, and they broke both. But
there you go.
But we don't know yet. I don't think so.
No.
But we can't prove it, so we're gonna have to just start working.
I'm gonna start with a blank slate. Like I didn't hear nothing.
Yeah. When we threw the jetter from there, we stopped here.
Right. There's no pipe here. I ain't seen nothing.
Yeah, and so that means that the breakage of the storm and the sewer, they're parallel, and then I guess the sewer. The sewer was clogged
on this side,
right, somewhere in this area. So what happens is like the storm and the sewer got mixing together, and it started backing up over there on that basin.
I was mind boggled. Like, this is no way possible. They tied the sewer into that and then backed up. Because I was thinking, like, you got to camera that line and see what the hell was wrong with the bigger pipe, why that line backed up in the first place.
Yeah, exactly.
But at the same time, when he cleared it from the 4-inch line, it cleared, so something was off.
All right, so let's
Like I said, blank slate. I start from there and I came to the sewer line
Yeah.
first and see where that
And
goes.
Send the camera from that
Yeah.
clean
Clean
out.
out. Yeah, the
And,
first one over there and bring back this
a lot
way.
of water there. So
all right, and then you start
forward.
jetting this pipe right here. You just start
use my
cleaning.
jet right, jet right
Yeah.
You use that
Yeah.
while I do the camera and come this way.
There you go.
And eventually I can probably see the water coming in each other line.
All right.
All right.
All right, so the contractor basically just gave us the whole story here. He told us what he wants to do. He wants us to basically to mark the sewer line. Apparently in this area here, you got a sewer line and you got a storm line picking up these leader drains right here parallel. So when we came in, there was sewer in that catch basin. So that was the weird part. So the pipe is running this way, coming around here. And I guess with the backhoe, they broke the storm and the sewer together, and that's what we suspect, that why sewer it's backing up into that basin. It's not right now. We opened it, but Chris is going to camera. Oswald is going to jet, and we'll know very, very soon.
¿Tú encuentras que es una mala elaboración de la tubería?
Sí. Start the machine. I should be able to hear it. It's on? Keep coming. You're here. So this is not, apágalo. So this is not storm. This is sewer.
Sewer.
Yeah, because you would have heard the jet here, not in the gutter. He said that was storm, but it's not. It's sewer.
Es sewer too.
That has to connect to here.
Exactly.
Okay. So all right. So we know that now. So just low pressure. Keep sending it. I know you're not lying doing those leader drains right now. So you see that other clean out right there?
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, just keep jetting.
Back and forward or forward?
Yeah.
Forward.
Just keep it low pressure, and it's not backing up, right? Yeah, I need a flashlight. Look at this clean out job. I just put this over it, cement around it. Yeah, not bad, I guess. Alright, go start your jet. Hey Terry, how you doing? Alright, not bad. What's going on, my friend? No, it didn't. I spoke to Matt already. I called you, but you didn't answer the phone. You were gone probably. The covers of the pumps, they were completely shot, completely rusted out, and they siliconed the crap out of everything. And well, when I called Matt, I told him like, look, no matter what we do here, not a problem, not a problem, my friend. Take care. Bye. All right, so prendelo ahora. Start it again. Oh, we can hear it nice and clear. Nice and clear. You went through here, but I could see the bottom of it. A lot of rocks is dirty. Line is dirty.
Is it dirty?
Yeah, you went right past. Well, if we don't have a manhole, how are we gonna suck all that dirt out? Alright, so there's our jetting hit right there. So that's great news, because that means we can put the vacuum truck here and we can vacuum all this line going that way. All right, so that's awesome. That's a great find. And apparently this is the storm, and the sewer, it's about a foot to the left. All right, cool. Found the sewer line, I mean the storm line. So now we just got to confirm this is the Oswald. So we confirmed that that's the storm line on that side. Now we got to confirm this is sewer line. So he's gonna send the jetter and we should see it come out of here. All right, send it. I hear her already. Oh yeah. Yeah, confirmed. Definitely. Look, and we got fiber optics here too. See that? That's fiber optics. You should pick these up. All right, and then the storm is on this side. See, if we had a clean out or a manhole somewhere out here, we can I don't see any manholes, so it's gonna have to camera this stuff. Take a look at this monster. That's probably a 24-inch sewer main. Wow. That's about an 18-inch. Just a continuation of that. But man, look at this. Look how busy that sewer line is. That's a big, big sewer. All right, so we spent about 3 hours here. We finally got everything mapped out. Kind of have an idea now of what we're doing. We know where everything is running, and it's actually running to a manhole all the way over there by that cone, and those where the guys are working at would have never found that. That was buried under dirt, and a whole bunch of tools. Chris was able to find that. Here we have a 36-inch county main sewer line, which we thought we were tying into, but apparently this main sewer is coming across this complex, but nobody's tying into it. So we've got actually going over this pipe and over there to down a town sewer here somewhere. This will be a storm line. We'll be cleaning also that way, and all right, let's get to work. Boys, so we're now starting to jet the storm line, which is on the right side of this. You can even hear it right here. That's the storm line we're cleaning, and just at the beginning of the video, what I was saying, 6-inch line with dirt in it. It's too big for the Vector truck, and yet too small for Chris's van. So when we came in, we popped out of here. That's how much power this machine has. It popped the this metal cover, pretty heavy stuff, and this 6-inch, it must have not been all the way, but it just popped out of here and dug himself right into that. But that comes to tell you that, you know, someone could have been walking here in this sidewalk, and boom, that's how accidents happen. Yep. So that's why you always have make sure a guy is looking down the line where you're jetting, because things can go south really quick in this business. I don't know what's up with these electrical companies. They break so many lines. I mean, it's a pretty busy place. You got gas, cable, you got water, you got sewer, everything here. And it's not that deep. Yeah, for some reason the ripsaw makes it all the way over there. I don't know why.
Last one. You got it. You got it. You got it.
Right here.
You got it.
Right here.
Right, right.
That makes it to the end, ironically.
All right, so we must have took out probably, I'll say about 2 yards of dirt out of this sewer line. This was the interesting part. The electrical company said that they put a clean out here. When you spin that whole plug, the whole pipe spins. And we just noticed that it's not even connected. They just put a pipe there. So the electrical company is just gonna have to come back, because when we send the jet from all the way over there, it will come this way. You don't even hear it here, and you hear it over there, and we have the flow going that way. So then when we stuck a shovel in here and bang it, we can hear the echo on the main sewer line of these buildings. So this electrical company guys, they just, I don't know what they did here, but the more time we spend here in this place, the more we learn how messed up this thing is. All right, we got one more manhole to do, and we'll be done for the day. There's Chris, there's Oswald. They should be able to handle this, not a problem. But I'll stick around and get you some footage.
Yeah, that needs cleaning.
so this manhole is all screwed up. They're gonna have to come in and re-channel this. Everything's just going underneath there, and it's just a real mess. We're gonna jet it out, soft, not a lot of pressure, just to get the rocks out of there. And that's it. We'll call it a day. So there you have it. That was the job, and man, learned a lot today. That's one of the biggest problems with drain cleaning. You just don't know what you're getting into 99% of the time. It's not like a carpenter. You know, you can see a door or frame a window. You know how much material is going to take you. How much material is going to take you to finish a door or frame a window. You can see it, but us drain cleaners, we don't see anything. We don't know until we're in there, inside the pipe working. And yet we still have to give quotes. We have to quote jobs to people without seeing exactly what we're doing. There goes Oswald right there, and Chris on the truck. Oswald is mad at me because I hit that jump shot on him. He's a little upset. He moved the pipe of the Vector, it hit me in the head. He said it was an accident. I don't know about that. He's like the basketball player of the whole team and got destroyed. So I'll see you on the next one. I know I haven't posted in a long time, so I'm gonna see if I can do some more videos. I'm working in the office now, painting, doing conference room, you know, and I'll do my best to get you some more videos. And if you have any questions, just put it in the comments below. I'll try to answer them as quick as I can. But I really haven't been posting videos. We've been busy, but it's just been more of the same. So just to me, it's just not worth just doing another vacuum truck video or another, you know, I try to video special stuff and different things, you know, that way channel doesn't get boring. Anyway, have a great weekend, and we'll see you on the next one.